Can't find the cast icon on your favorite apps? Before you panic or restart everything, try these quick fixes to bring the cast button back. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are tackling a common Chromecast issue when the cast icon disappears from your apps. Method 1. Check Wi-Fi connection. When you cannot find the cast button on apps, make sure your phone, tablet or computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Chromecast or other Google Cast enabled devices. Verify that your Chromecast is also on the same Wi-Fi network. Navigate to the top right corner of the home screen using your remote. Select the settings icon. Then select all settings. In the settings menu, scroll down and select Network and Internet. Or you can navigate to settings from home menu. Right beneath settings, you should find Wi-Fi option. Select the same network your smartphone is connected to. You can also restart your Chromecast, router and the device you are casting from phone, tablet or computer. Method 2. Verify Bluetooth settings. On your phone or tablet, ensure Bluetooth is enabled. You can swipe down from the top of your smartphone and turn on Bluetooth. Or you can head to your phone settings and then navigate to Bluetooth. Then toggle on the switch. Method 3. Update Google Chrome. If you are casting from a laptop using the Chrome browser, then make sure Google Chrome is updated to the latest version. To do that, click on the three dots menu, then select Help, then About Google Chrome. Wait till Chrome updates to the latest software version. Method 4. Update apps and software. Check for any available software updates for your phone or tablet and Chromecast. To update your Chromecast device, go to Settings, then select System, then About, then System Update. Download and install any available updates. Restart the Chromecast after updating. Make sure you have the latest version of the app you're trying to cast from is running on your phone. Method 5. Clear app cache. The next thing you can do is clear app cache and then try to cast the app on Chromecast. To clear app cache on your smartphone, tap and hold the app and select the app info option. Then select storage. Then clear data or clear cache depending upon your phone settings. Method 6. Check app compatibility. If you still cannot find the cast icon on the app, make sure the app you are trying to cast from is compatible with Google Cast. The content can encounter HTTP errors when casting from a phone to a Chromecast, especially if the TV or display device doesn't fully support the required HTTP version. Try playing the same content on another device that supports HTTP. If it works there, your current setup may not be HTTP compatible. Method 7. Factory reset. If all else fails, consider factory resetting your Chromecast and setting it up again. A factory reset can resolve persistent errors by returning the device to default settings. Hold the physical reset button until the light changes from blinking amber to solid white, then release to begin the reset. If the issue persists after performing all the steps, you can contact Google support and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And that's it. Your cast icon should now be back and ready to stream. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward tech fixes. Still having trouble or facing another streaming glitch? Drop a comment below. We are here to help. Thanks for watching Silicophilic and we will catch you in the next one.